Welcome friends, my name is Dilip and you are watching Info Hub. So today I'm gonna talk to you about Wajirex, how Wajirex works and how we can trade on it. Okay, so firstly I will start from downline options. So you can see there are four options available: info, markets, order, and funds. In the info, whatever the Wajirex news is coming, whatever the competition is going on the Wajirex, it will show here only. Whatever the update are coming, it will show here only. Okay, and in the market mainly three types of market available: USDT market, BTC market, and INR market. In USDT, you know very well, you can trade with USDT pairs, and BTC pairs are available. And if you want to trade with INR rupees, Indian rupees, then you can trade in that INR. Okay, so STF and P2P, it is the different things. I will explain in end of the video. So let's move on that how to deposit money on Wajirex account and how can we withdraw from there. Okay, so in the funds you can see my funds is 67,000 available. So if you want to deposit your money, so you can see first option available, INR rupees. Click on that and there are in the downline two options available: deposit and withdraw. You can see my deposit and withdraw with the dates. Okay, so if you want to deposit your money, then click on deposit and it will show you two options, like a instant deposit and standard deposit. In the instant deposit, it will charge only 10 rupees and your money will deposit immediately after a few minutes or seconds. Okay, and standard it will take 24% or as earlier. Okay, so this is best thing to deposit your money, instant deposit. Okay, and same way we can withdraw also, instant withdraw and standard withdraw. Same way, instant withdraw it will charge only 10 rupees and immediately you can withdraw your money at any time, 24 by 7 it is available. Okay, so let's move on that our STF and P2P options. So come to the market, you can see STF. If suppose you don't want to trade in cryptocurrency and you don't want to invest in that, like you don't have enough time to trade in that. Okay, so there are some fund manager available, like a it is work like a mutual fund only. Okay, so some fund manager available, and they are collecting your money and investing the cryptocurrencies and gaining your portfolio. So like this, if you click on any one token, so the token is listed here. So we can see, we can click on X Factor. So it will brief you about the X Factor, who is this X Factor is available and how many years of experience the particular person have. Okay, and whatever the assets and whatever the USDT or whatever the money is coming on that X Factor, his investment also you can see where he is investing, like a BTC, USDT, Wajirex. You can see how many percentage of allocation is available there. Okay, this person investing your money in the different cryptocurrencies. You can see here. Let me check another one. So you can see Expo. So you can read here about the XPRO. Okay, all detail are available there. So you can see his portfolio and investment. Right now his 90% investment in Ethereum only. Okay, you can see. So it is best option if you don't want to trade anytime. Okay, so just you need to buy his token and need to wait out and need to wait. So once you see your portfolio is scanned, and you can also exit from there. So whenever you are exiting, the bad thing is that whenever you are exiting from these things, so it will deposit your if suppose today I buy, okay, and tomorrow I will exit from this one. Okay, so when I exit, it will give me the different cryptocurrencies, like its investment. Let me check another one. Mm, you can see X Factor investing in different cryptocurrencies. So if I will exit on that, so it will give me the same cryptocurrency where it is allocated, like this one. See, he's holding in BTC, USDT, WGDX and Ethereum. So whenever I will exit, it will give me like this only, like a percentage type, whatever my investment is there. So my, if I invested $1,000, so it will give you 43.93% in BTC only. It will give you 29.03% in USDT only, like this one only. So this thing is bad in that, but all things, other things is good. Okay, so let's move on P2P. If you want to trade in USDT, and if you don't want to deposit your money in INR, so if you will deposit your money in INR, so you need to trade in that. If you want to trade in USDT, then you need to buy USDT. Okay, so these things is available. So in P2P, peer to peer option available there, like here only we can buy USDT only, nothing another cryptocurrency available here. So if you buy cryptocurrencies, if you want to buy cryptocurrencies, so see here, red side is a selling price, and green side is a buying price. Okay, so if I want to buy USDT, like I will click on that first option, 76.98. So I will buy like 15 USDT. Okay, once I press the place order, okay, and my bid order is match with that seller, so Vajras will call me, see, and also you can
कॉल
see.
वजीर एक्स से है। आपका वजीर एक्स P2P बाय ऑर्डर सेलर से मैच किया गया है। कृपया लॉग इन करें और 30 मिनट के भीतर सेलर के बैंक खाते में पैसे ट्रांसफर।
This call and message is coming once your buy order match with the seller. So you need to pay like 1,153 rupees. You need to pay to the seller. Once you pay the money, it will unlock your 15 USDT, and then you can trade on that. Now you can see here only 9 minutes available. If within 9 minutes you can't, if you not pay any money to the seller, then it will automatically cancel. Okay, and this type of P2P is worked. You can also do the same activity if you want to sell. As of now I cancel that. In the same way, if you want to sell your USDT, then you again you need to sell, like here option available. If you want to just sell your money, then just click on 76.98, and just you can set whatever the USDT available. Then again once it will match through the buyer, then Vajrex will call you and message you about that all things. Okay, this thing is very good about Vajrex. That's why Binance is acquired. So this is all about Vajrex. If you have any question and query, you can comment in video section, and if you need any clarification, then you can ask freely. Okay, so thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel and likes. Thank you very much guys, thank you very much.